Welcome to Soul Rebels. My name's Brett, and today we have a body weight beginner workout. Let's rock and roll. All right, let's get warmed up, okay? First workout for the warm-up, side-to-side jacks. Okay, now marches. Right into toe touches. Here we go. Right, we'll go right back into side-to-side jacks. And the marches. And we'll do toe touches. Okay, you should all be warmed up, okay? Nice and loose. Let's go ahead and get into the workout. First exercise is squats to calf raises. Follow me. Down on the ground. You got T-stacks. Right, plank position. Reach. And from here, we've got heel touches on our back. Reach for your heel. You stand up. We have a wide walk stance. All right, now from here, pivot uppercuts. Hands up, pivot. All right, get down on the ground. We have bird dogs with knee touches. So reach out with left hand, right foot, come in, touch your knee. Good. Very nice. Now, we'll go right back into it. Bodyweight squats, calf raises. On the bodyweight T-steps. Here, heel touches in the back. It up. Wide walk stance. Here we go. From here, pivot and uppercut. Go down. We got bird dogs, knee touches. Switch. Okay. We'll go right back into it. Here we go. Squat to calf raise. T-steps. Here we got heel touches. And a wide walk stance. Okay, now pivot uppercuts. Go down to the bird dog, to a knee touch. Okay, we're going right back into it. Here we go. On T-steps. Heel touches. on a wide walk stance. Okay, uppercuts. Go down on the ground. Bird dog with knee touches. Last round, here we go. T-stacks. Heel touches. Walk wide stance. Okay, uppercuts. Last but not least, bird dog knee touches. That's it, guys. That is a total body weight workout for beginners. Thank you for joining me. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe and take care of yourself. Soul Rebels out.